After nearly 24 years, Poseidon's Fury's reign of mediocrity will come to an end. It will close its doors for good on May 9th, 2023. And for those who don't know about this ride, attraction, we'll get more into that. It was located in the Lost Continent area of Universal Islands of Adventure. It was a walkthrough attraction, honestly more of a show, where you were part of a battle between Poseidon and Lord Darkanon. I honestly don't even know. Now, I have been expecting Poseidon to close for years, so this isn't surprising at all to me. And in reality, the only thing that was surprising that it ever reopened in the first place post-COVID. And they claimed it was improved on refurb, but I never wasted the time at the park to check it out because basically everyone I talked to said it wasn't much and nothing worth doing if you didn't like the show in the first place. I'm happy to see it go. Lost Continent needs a major overhaul, and the outside of Poseidon is great and so well themed that the attraction just didn't live up. The water tunnel was cool though, and now what will this area become is the big question. There are two prevailing opinions. One, Harry Potter expansion, always makes sense. It's right next to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Part of Lost Continent is already converted to Harry Potter when The Boy Who Lived came to Orlando, R.I.P. Dragons. And Harry Potter is so popular and it's so important to Universal that more Harry Potter is certainly a possibility. The other thought is Nintendo. Obviously, another big IP. The character of choice is Link, and that does fit the theming of this area, and it would be very good for the scene provided. Personally, that's the way I expect Universal to go. Universal already has Harry Potter in each park and will have it in Epic Universe, and I expect Nintendo will be in each park. We already know that Epic Universe will have its own version of Super Nintendo World, and I anticipate Nintendo coming to IOA and Nintendo coming to USF back in the old Woody Woodpecker zone. Another portion of this land expansion of why I think this will be the case is Sinbad has been closed since 2018. That was an old show that used to be in Lost Continent that creates so much room for expansion and what could be a phenomenal Nintendo Link area. Thanks for watching. What do you expect? Are you sad to see Poseidon go? Honestly, if you're like me, you only miss the water tunnel. Thanks for watching and hit that subscribe button.